Hello guys, welcome back po sa aking channel, Gerald's TV and Las Vegas Motor Speed. At ngayon, bibili tayo ng handgun or pistol 9mm at AR9, which is like AR pistol rifle. Let's check it out. I'm going to a gun shop here in Las Vegas, located at the St. Rose Parkway, so it's like 8 minutes away from my home, and we'll see what they have. And I already told him my choice of handgun, so we'll see. I think you cannot film inside the gun shop, so I don't know if I can ask them if I can film there. And let's check out some guns. The good thing about Vegas is there's not a lot of restriction regarding, you know, permit, license, only CCW if you want a concealed weapon, but we're open carry state. So alright, abangan ang susunod na kabanata, my first handgun or my first pistol. Alright, ayan, so dito na tayo sa gun shop Las Vegas. Ito yung mga baril nila, ang gaganda, daming selection. So yun yung isang selection, MNP 2.0 compact, and then meron silang HD MNP 9mm. Ito rin yung isang selection ko, Canic TTI Combat Smoke, at meron silang DS Warrior, which is all the way on that side. And then I want this too, the FX9. Dami. So these are my options. So they have Canic TTI Combat Smoke and a MNP 2.0 metal. Hello guys, so i-unbox natin itong Kimber na ating binili, 9mm pistol with aluminum frame. Yan po ang kanyang bag, made in the USA. So ayan, so it comes with 2 magazine. Pinalagyan ko na rin siya ng optics or red dot. It is O sight, and then meron siyang kasamang 2 extra magazine. So one is what is this, 20 rounds, and then one is 17 rounds. And ito yung kanyang O-sight na binili ko separately. It's about $170. So ang price nito ay with tax is like $1,200. Napakaganda po. I-review natin. Ayan, so ano nga ba ang 1911? So 1911 is a legendary pistol that used by a military personnel or law enforcement as their backup handgun. So basically, this is the new era of 1911, kasi ang original mostly it's 9 to 10 rounds. Ito double stack siya, so it's either 17 to 20 rounds. And napakaganda niya, napakasimple lang, all black with carbon fiber grip, and then meron siyang aluminum frame kaya magaan. Ang gusto ko sa baril na to ay yung trigger niya, napaka soft na trigger. And then meron siyang hammer. So, pag kinasa mo siya, so easy. And look, feels like 3 pounds. And then, gaya nga ng sinabi ko, aluminum frame, at saka yung kanyang length ng barrel is 5.0. So, what I learned, since this is my first pistol, the longer the barrel, it's more stable, less recoil. So 5.0 is perfect one. And my cousin recommended that if I'm gonna buy a pistol. It is my first pistol and I'm very happy to purchase it. Salamat po sa tumulong sa akin sa gun shop Las Vegas. Dyan sa St. Rose Parkway, they gave me a massive discount or deal. So I bought this and I bought the AR9. Review natin yan sa next video. Ayan. So, ang 1911 po ay mayroon siyang history or it's a legendary pistol, especially for law enforcement, military. My dad was a Marine, so it inspired me buying this. My first pistol. When I was a kid, I saw my dad having a Colt 45, and 1911, and it just reminds me about him. And then ito yung ang kanyang magazine, which is metal also. Meron siyang 17 rounds at meron siyang 20 rounds. So, ayan, napakaganda. I like it because it fits with the color. It's black. I think the other magazines is like stainless, pero mas I prefer this black one. Napakaganda, simple lang po. And then meron tayong red dot, which is another $170, 170. Free installation. Unfortunately, Kimber didn't have a good screw, that's stock screw. So, humanap sila ng perfect fit sa screw nito para hindi siya, kasi yung mga iba na over torque nila because unfortunately Kimber provided a not that good screw to lock the plate. Ito meron siyang red dot. Kung nakikita nyo, ito-turn natin. Actually, naka-on na siya. And then, ayan o. Tapos, first of all, we're all clear before we make this video. And then, napaka-lambot ng kanyang trigger. I can't wait to try it. I might put a flashlight later on. It's not necessary, but ang ganda ng trigger niya. I just love the way they made this. It's built quality. I haven't tried yet, but I can't wait to try it. So mayroon siyang hammer, mayroon siyang safety. So when you cock it, it's either you can, yeah, mayroon siyang lock. So just put it up. Ayan, yung lock niya. Safe, fire. Ayan, so ang kanyang barrel ay stainless, nakalagay na 9mm, yan yung caliber niya, which is 9mm. Same, of course, round yung kanyang tip of the barrel. And then meron siyang sight, iron sight. Yung tinanggal na parts is, it comes with the sight also, the front sight. And pag tinanggal mo yung plate, matatanggal na rin yun, madidelete siya. So, ang ganda niya, mga ka-Facebook, ka-YouTube. I highly recommend this. Before I bought this pistol, nag-research ako, mga ka-Facebook. Tapos, yung site niya, meron siyang ibang mode, which is, meron siyang crosshair, tsaka red dot. Yan, napakaganda. It's worth it. yeah, so simpleng-simple lang yung kanyang design pero astig, di ba? Aluminum frame with carbon fiber grip, and it has logo of Warrior, and then dito sa kanyang lower receiver meron siyang 1911 DS Warrior. Yun yung kanyang model. Ayan, so yan lang ang ating review ngayon. Napakasimple lang. I highly recommend this. I'm so excited to go out to the range and try this out. At meron siyang magandang bag. Meron din siyang kasamang ito plug dito sa kanyang extractor. But I don't need it. And I think that would be all. And this is a nice bag. So shout out to Kimber, shout out to Las Vegas Gun Shop. I highly recommend it. They're very friendly and they give you massive discount. Especially me, I spent $2,000 for 2,100, 2,200 for 2 guns. This Kimber 1911 DS Warrior 9mm and Freedom Ordinance AR9 9mm also. So, salamat po sa panonood at huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe. Again, this is Gerald's TV. Click lang yung subscribe button para ma-notify kayo sa aking latest vlog. It's not about cooking today. It's all about our guns and ammo. And it's all about guns. I love guns, actually. And we'll see you in the next vlog. Peace.